Stayed away from all the bullshit, them niggas said I'm running. Time passed over, now you see that I was chasing money. Chasing money, 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 chasing money.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Locs, and I know I've been gone for a while, but today I'm back. And I know the last time y'all saw me, I did not have my hair like this. A few months ago, I did have locks in my hair, and I had them a little bigger than these. And I do have a previous video on how I did my last set of instant locks, but YouTube, I think I got copyrighted on something. YouTube ended up muting 80% of my videos, so now I'm back today to show y'all how to do it. Now, this is my second set of, actually I lied. This is my third set of instant locks, y'all. This is my third set, and hopefully should be my last set. But anyways, I'm just gonna jump right into the video because I don't want to hold y'all. I just want to show y'all how to go from this, which is my loose natural hair, to an instant lock. And I'm gonna just show y'all can see. My lights just decided to come on. Y'all can see I did most of my hair. I have these two, and then a few in the front to do. So yeah, I'm gonna jump right into that. To do these instant locks, you are going to need these, and they actually come in a set of 3. They are called crochet hooks, crochet needles, crochet hooks, whatever. This one is a 3-prong. This one is 2-prong, and they also have the 1-prong, but I don't really use the 1-prong. I use these 2. Now, when I did my first set and my second set, I used this one because I did like the locks was really big. I'm not trying to go that big just yet because I'm gonna try this size first to see how they come out, and then if they're not as thick as I want them, I can always combine them. Now, to get them like this, all I do is first of all, you gotta section your hair off to whichever part. Once you got your part, take the hair, take the crochet hook, make sure the little ridges is pointing towards you. If you can see, there's ridges on here. Yeah, it's hard to see, but they are little ridges. They got ridges on them. Y'all won't be able to see them if y'all have one in person. But anyways, you take your hair, you don't twist it, you don't do nothing, you just take it, hold it, take this, place it in here, and then you go in and out. And then take it out, grip it, and do it. And you basically just go all the way down. And you don't stay in the same spot for too long because that's how you can get like bumpy locks, lumpy locks. But basically, this is all you're doing. Super easy, but you have to know what you're doing. And when you get to the end, just do it all the way to the end. And now I have a lock, but I'm gonna go over it again because it still feels kind of loose. Some people do twist it as they're going like that, but you can do that, but I really don't do that unless I feel like loose spaces in my lock. And that's it. And I'm not gonna go all the way to my roots because I am gonna do a retwist. I'm gonna start my retwist. After I'm finished, I'm gonna wash my hair and then start and do a retwist on it. I'm gonna show y'all one more time. And then I'm gonna come a little closer for y'all to see. And this one is sticking up, but oh well. So once I'm done doing the top of my hair, I'm gonna come back and show y'all how the whole head looks. I have a few left, 8 left. So once I'm done, I'll come back and show y'all the finished look. And that is it. I am done. Just do a turnaround so I can show y'all how everything looks. And that is mostly it. If y'all have any questions for me, drop them down in the comment section and I'll get back with y'all. Follow me on Instagram at _LoserShade_. And stay tuned for the next one.